Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to share my funnels to income system that I use to run my online business. Coming up. So my system here consists of 4 phases, and these 4 phases are very, very important. Each one is important in its own right. So over here we have phase 1. So phase 1, if you want to create an online business, is to make sure you have these 3 things. Either you gotta have a passion, a hobby, or some sort of expertise. Because the idea is we're going to package this and sell this information online, or even, in fact, you know what, I'll explain this in phase 2. So this is the most important part. If you don't have a passion, a hobby, or an expertise, then of course this system won't work for you. So you'd have to go out there, learn some field, or get into a hobby, or get specialized in a certain field, and then you can apply this system. So let's give examples of what we are talking about here on phase 1. So in terms of a passion, maybe you have a passion on gardening, baking, cooking, could be fitness. Maybe you're a consultant where you talk about dieting or whatever it is. So this is where your passion is. And of course, you can go down here as an expertise as well. So maybe you're a fitness coach, that's your expertise. So we want to turn that into phase 2. Well, I'll talk about what you need to do in phase 2. So this is what you need here. It's very, very important that you establish that. So once you have a passion, a hobby, or an expertise, this is now where you can move over here to phase 2. So phase 2 is about creating an audience. Creating an audience is very important. A lot of videos out there you're going to watch are going to be videos of gurus that will be telling you to set up a business in 1 week and you can earn $300 a day. Trust me, I've gone through all these videos, I've watched them. And in fact, there's a video that I made a few months ago where I was expressing my frustrations with these videos that we see online that promise you that you can make money fast online. And the reality is, it's not true. A lot of these gurus, yes, they've made that money, but they have a long email list or if existing customers, or they are known in the industry, so it's easy for them to sell. So the idea here with audience building is for people to know, like, and trust us. And in order for people to know, like, and trust us, we have to put content out there. And the content we're talking about here is video. Video seems to work very, very well. And right now I'm going to be talking about YouTube first. Now, the reason why I'm passionate about YouTube is because YouTube is the second largest search engine. So the content that we want to create is content that people are going to be searching for like in a year, 2 years to come. So it's called evergreen content. So when you create a video, that video should be able to help people or inspire people for the next months or years. So when people find this video, this is how they're going to get to know who we are. And perhaps, in the way that we present ourselves, that is going to create some rapport with these people that are watching it. So this is the main idea here on audience building. Now, there's several platforms out there that you can use to build your audience. So here we have Facebook. Now, Facebook, to be honest, it is good, but only as an advertising platform. And I know YouTube also does advertising, but Facebook, the issue is when you create tutorials or videos on there, they're not searchable. So we want people to be able to search for videos, find them, and then they can either subscribe to our mailing list and so on. The other content that seems to work as well is podcasts. So if you create a podcast, this is how you can get to talk about your passion, your hobby, your expertise. And with that, we need to direct all these people here on social media to your blog. Now, you notice here that this blog here is in dotted lines. You have to have a blog. The reason why you need to have a blog is this is where you're going to have all your affiliate links. This is where you're going to have all your opt-ins because we need to build this mailing list. Without this mailing list, this system here doesn't really work. Once people see our YouTube videos or they join our Facebook groups, or you create a podcast, you need to move all these people from social media onto your mailing list. The reason why you want to do that is because you want to constantly communicate with them. So let's say worst case scenario, something happens and you get banned on YouTube. Basically, you're done. Like, there's no way you're going to be able to access your subscribers. So at least if you have a mailing list, you can communicate with them that way. So this is why it's important to have this mailing list. And also this mailing list is great because you can push out promotions, you can push out discounts, or even products or services that you recommend. And this is going to take us now into phase 3. Now, phase 3 is where you get to package your product or your offer. And this phase is what makes the money. So here there are several things that you can do, but the ones that I highly recommend are creating courses, which if you go to funnelstoincome.com, you'll see that we have courses there. Affiliate marketing. When I create my YouTube videos here, you notice that I also have affiliate links in my videos. And here for coaching and consulting, I haven't really started that, but of course, with my mailing list here, I can start that easily because I now have customers or people that know, like, and trust me that can buy my product easily. Now, back over here to phase 2. If you went out there and said, yeah, buy my course, chances are people won't buy it because, and I'm sure you won't buy it either because you don't know that person. You don't know who they are. You don't know what they do. You don't even know, or, you haven't even seen anything they've done in order for you to make that decision to buy that course or whatever it is that they're promoting. So this is why we need to create an audience. So back to what the gurus say. Now, all these gurus that talk about make $300 a day with affiliate marketing or selling courses and all of that, yes, it works. I am doing it right now, but the way they go about it is not right because they're giving you false information. In fact, they're giving you high hopes that you can just go there from scratch, create a product or create a course, sell it, and nothing happens. I've done it myself. I've created courses that have brought absolutely nothing. So this audience part here is very important. So throughout this whole system here, I'll be teaching you all the tools, all the techniques, and all the services that I use in order for you to get started. Now, I'm not promising you that you're going to be getting millions from this system, although, of course, it is possible that you can make that kind of money. But I'm talking about money that enables you to give you freedom, to spend money on your family, pay off some debt, go on holiday. That's the kind of money I'm talking about. Of course, if you work at it, if you work hard, it may take you into 6 figures, seven figures, because I know people out there that have done it, but they've done it through a large audience. So this is the most important part. Now, moving on to phase 4. Now, this is where now we get to create ads and also funnels. This is also very, very important because these funnels now are going to be directing people to other offers that we have. For example, let's say we're selling a course here for, let's say, $49. That course may be related to another course that you can sell through this funnel. So what the funnel does is it creates offers or other related products and suggests them to the person that's buying the product. So let me give you a practical example here. So let's say I'm selling a course on how to design a website. Chances are you also want to learn how to do SEO on your website. So this is where I can sell my main course and then sell my other course, the SEO course, on a discount at checkout. So this funnel here, or the funnel software, allows us to add more products on the checkout for your customers. And this works really, really, really well. So ads and funnels are a must in your system. And you can see here through my diagram, I'm actually showing that this actually works here on the offer. So this system here, I've been using it. I've perfected it, to be honest, because I've tried so many ways to create an online business and make money. And it's been very, very, very challenging. In fact, it's so stressful because whatever you try, different people are telling you different things online. So that is where I really, set back. I stopped watching all these crazy tutorials or videos that talk about making money fast and making money quick. And I've just decided to be patient and follow a strategy, look back and see if there's any progress. So I've done this over about a year and a half, and I am confident now that this is actually working. To be honest, I could actually show you with proof the money that I'm making on different affiliate products that I'm promoting and also on the courses. But this is not about that. This is not about me showing you how much money I'm making. I'm not very comfortable doing that because, that's not me, But I can assure you that if you follow this system and follow the tutorials that I'll be putting out on this channel, you are going to achieve the results that I'm achieving, provided that you put in the work, because this is not easy. This is not easy. Trust me, it can have you emotionally go up and down, and sometimes you feel like nothing is working, but you need to stay focused. You need to be determined, and this system will definitely work for you. So throughout this, I'll be talking about the tools that I used to rank my videos on YouTube. I'll be sharing how to create a blog and how to add your affiliate links, how to set up a podcast, the tools that I use, how to set up a list, your mailing list. I'll also be showing you how to collect those emails. So throughout this whole journey, I'll be showing you pretty much what I do on a day-to-day basis, on a monthly basis, how I put my services, how I put my courses together. And all this is going to come through the videos that I'll be creating on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. That is very, very important. By doing that, you'll have all the updates or notifications once I release new tutorials. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments box below. That's all I have for you in today's video. So see you again in the next one. Take care.